Have you ever looked at your Monese account, all excited to start spending or saving, only to find it's locked? Or perhaps you're trying to upgrade your account but keep hitting a roadblock. The culprit? Unverified account. Don't worry, you're not alone. Millions of people face this issue. So, what does it take to verify your Monese account? Let's dive in. Understanding account verification. First off, let's understand why Monese needs to verify your identity. It's a crucial step to protect you from fraud and comply with financial regulations. Think of it as showing your ID to enter a VIP club. It's all about security and trust. So, what kind of information does Monese need? Generally, you'll need to provide proof of identity and address. This could be a passport, driver's license, or national ID card for your ID, and a utility bill or bank statement for your address. The verification process. Now, let's get to the meat of the matter, how to actually verify your account. Access the verification section. Log into your Monese app. Look for a section labeled verification or something similar. It's usually in your profile settings. Choose your verification method. Monese typically offers a few options. This might include document upload. Take clear photos of your ID and address proof. Make sure the images are well lit and without glare. Video selfie. You'll be asked to record a short video of yourself holding your ID. This is an extra security measure. Biometric verification. Some platforms use facial recognition or fingerprint scans. Follow the on-screen instructions. Monese will provide detailed instructions for each verification method. Pay close attention to the requirements. Ensure the documents you upload are valid and not expired. Double-check the information you enter matches your ID. Patience is key. Verification can take some time. Monese needs to verify your details manually. Be patient and avoid submitting multiple requests. Troubleshooting common issues. Things don't always go smoothly. Here are some common issues and how to tackle them. Document rejection. If your documents are rejected, check for errors like blurry images, incorrect information, or expired documents. Resubmit clear, correct copies. Verification pending. If your verification is pending for an extended period, contact Monese support. They can investigate the issue. Technical difficulties. If you encounter app glitches or website problems, try logging out and back in, or using a different device. Tips for a smooth verification. Prepare your documents. Have your ID and address proof ready before starting the process. Good lighting. Ensure your documents are photographed in good lighting. Accurate information. Double-check all details to avoid delays. Contact support. If you're stuck, don't hesitate to reach out to Monese support. Additional verification tips. Some users have reported success with specific document types or verification methods. You can try different options if your initial attempts fail. Keep copies of your verification documents for your records. If you move, update your address on Monese promptly to avoid future issues. Verifying your Monese account might seem like a chore, but it's a necessary step to enjoy all the features the app offers. By following these steps and tips, you can streamline the process and get verified in no time. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.